Hi, I'm Shane Workman, Product Manager of Projectal, and I would like to show you some of our new staff usage features. These features are super easy to use and will answer the questions you would commonly ask. Things like, hey, can we take on this project? Or, do we have the capacity? Or, do we need to hire more staff? You can even ask things like, what is the upcoming load for our animation department? Or, can our team in Vancouver handle this work? Let's jump into Projectal and see how we would answer these questions. I've navigated to a project. If you've used Projectal before, you know you can see this dashboard, or you can view by tasks, Gantt chart, Kanban board, or staff usage. Let's take a look at staff usage in more detail. Right now, I'm showing all the staff working on this project. The left column shows their name, and on the right, we see how they're being used. I can view by hours, days, or percentage. I can also choose any timescale or date range. Immediately, the real-time heat map shows us where staff are being allocated. You can see spare capacity or over-allocations. As I scroll, I can quickly see these unders and overs. For example, here I can see that Eddie is marked in red and is over-allocated at 200%. Obviously, this is a problem. Let's fix this using Projectal's AI-based skills and availability matching. I will drill into this by expanding Eddie, showing the assigned tasks. Let's choose the first task and get Projectal to recommend other staff that have the skills required and are available. We'll select Marcus. Projectal has now reassigned this task to Marcus, and if we look at Eddie's heat map, we can see he is no longer marked in red. We've fixed the problem. You can see that Projectal gives you real-time visibility over your staff usage. That's super handy for studios. Currently, we're showing staff usage just for this project, but with a single click, you can see usage on all active projects. This helps to understand the load across the entire studio. You can also drill into the staff usage at any level within the studio. Here we're showing it by location. Or perhaps you would prefer to see it by department. This is a great way to immediately see the available capacity. We have been showing percentage, but you can also view by headcount. Now we can see the full-time equivalent requirements at a glance. I hope you can see that there are a multitude of ways to drill into your studio's staff usage. Finally, these views can be saved and recalled at any time. Simply create the view you want and then click Save as Staff Usage View. Enter a name and click OK. Now you can use that same view time and time again. Taking this a step further, you can also share it with the rest of your team. For example, share it with those in your department or by location. This is great for getting the entire team on the same page and viewing the same data. So that's just a few of the features that help you manage your staff, departments, and locations. If your studio needs to get better at managing your staff pool, then Projectal has the answers. If you want to know more, visit projectal.com to learn about the smarter, easier way to run your studio.